for their bout tonight. I'd like to thank our sponsors again: Strong Fit Gym Equipment, King Cock, Jim's Coffee, UTV MMA Court, Style and Shine Beauty Salon, KR Builders, and Captain Tabon.
Bumimil.
Are you guys ready for the second MMA bout for this evening? Sino excited? Sino ready? Good, ako rin. Okay, kung excited at ready na kayo, makarinig man lang ako ng palakpakan dyan sa crowd. Thank you, thank you, thank you. At least alam kong gising pa kayo. Now, for our second bout for this evening, this is for 140 pounds. Now, for the blue corner, Damian Harry Tabias from Vietnam Muay Thai MMA. Now his opponent for tonight, the Saint, John Rivera from Underdogs Fight Team. And before we begin this second bout for MMA fight tonight, we would like to see our lovely, our sexy, the amazing Baby Star. Let's see a round of applause from everyone in the crowd. Wala ba kayong kamay? Ayan. Para naman din naman si Sky. Thank you very much, Sky. Inom mo ako. Also, Brigadira. Okay na? Fighters in the middle.
Ay, sorry po. Ay, sorry po.
Ang laban ko.
Ano po?
Laban ko itong laban na ito.
Ang ganda laban po. Ilan tayo niyo po?
Oh, 1 year.
1 year.
Go, Mimil!
Go, Mil!
Underhook! Yan! Pasok mo! Pasok mo! Underhook! Magiging mura siya! Ingat! Alis dyan! Alis! Underhook! Sabay straight!
Layo po.
Dapat ka sa katawan niya! Yan! Nice! Kayo! Nice one! Atras! 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 Nice one! Good!
Go, Mil! Go, Mil!
Grappler yan!
Nice!
Underhook! 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 Baba point! Underhook! Nice! Nice! Underhook! 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 Ready lang! Ready lang! Ready lang! Amen!
Lakas!
1 minute remaining.
Galing dito.
Go, Mil!
Ganda ng favorite position. Favorite ko yan. Favorite ko yan. Lalaki na ako.
40 seconds remaining.
Nice, nice! Ah! Sorry. Ay!
Gusto ulit? Sakto talaga. Gusto mo ay?
Go, Mil! Go, Mil! Mil tayo! Mil tayo!
Time.
Nice, nice, nice!
Reverse yun, reverse yun.
And our first round for tonight. And before we start our second round, we'd like to see the beauty and the grace of our round Miss Yumi. Wala ba yung kamay para Miss Yumi? Thank you very much. Second up.
Go, Mil! Go, Mil! I love you! Go, go!
Ito yung kalaban mo. Coach me, coach me. Andun ka.
Nice! Go, go, go! Layo! Nice, nice! Go, go! Go, go! Rep, gumilid ka, Rep.
One minute remaining.
Tayo! Mil, tayo! Tayo, Mil, tayo, tayo! Yan! Woo! Woo! Tayo, tayo!
Seconds remaining.
Nice! Shims!
seconds remaining.
Control na lang, control. 20 seconds. Survive. Survive, survive. 20 seconds.
Mil, 10 seconds na lang.
Konti na lang.
Time.
Nice. Woo! Konti pa.
That ends our second round. Now before we begin our third round, I'd like to call our gorgeous, our sexy, the amazing Jeremiah. Wala ba kayong mamay para kay Jeremiah? Second down, please. Second down. Seconds out, please. Thank you.
Mil, tingin ka dito, Mil. Mil, andito ako sa taas, Mil. Mil, dito sa taas. Look. Go, Mil.
Let's begin our third round for this fight.
2 rounds na po.
Abangan mo, mag-shoot yan.
Relax lang, Mil.
Taas kamay. High guard.
Nice.
Ito sa bante.
Nice. Woo.
Huwag ka mag-stay dyan.
Yoy! Galing.
Huwag ka mag-stay dyan.
Distansya lang, Mil.
Control na. Sige, makapasok dyan.
Woo!
Under hook. Magpamel ka, under hook. Kung kanan mo, pasok mo dyan sa butang mo.
1 minute remaining.
Full guard. Kawat mo yung mga mo. Sinura, alam mo paano mag-escape dyan galing sa kesa. Control lang. Pupulin ka na lang kay Mura. Yan.
40 seconds remaining.
Mil!
Control. Mag-anaconda yan. Tatarapis na anaconda. Paano mag-escape dyan.
Go, Mil!
Bridge.
Nice!
20 seconds
Tayo.
remaining.
Tayo. Rep, gumilid ka, Rep.
Tumuntok ka sa body. Tumuntok ka na sa body. Tumuntok lang na sa body.
Time.
Nice. Woo. Sportsmanship.
fighters in the middle, please. Now to present this award, we would like to call the International Heavyweight Fighter and Muay Thai Fighter, Mr. Fritz Vietnam. Now the winner for this bout, it's a unanimous decision from the blue corner. Hey, Javi Cabinas from Vietnam, anyway.
Take down, dalawa.
Congratulations. Picture with your knee.
Okay lang.
Pasu! Oh!
Sorry po.
Ano naman kayo? Alam ko na nahulog na ano yan. Huli!
Thank you po.
Jiu-Jitsu. Ang ganda ng performance. Hindi ka niya natapos.
Oh, hindi ka na
Ang ganda ng... Ay, natalo ka. Taas mo.
Thank you, Coach.
Ganda rin strike.
Thank you, Coach
I
Rich.
know sa next time mo. Ang ganda.
Congrats.
Thank you po.
Akala ko nag-practice kanina.
Hindi, ano yung exhibition match?
Now, while our fighters are getting ready for the third round, we'd like again to thank our sponsor for today's event. Strong Fit Gym Equipments, King Kong, Jim's Coffee, UGB Enemy Fort, Style and Shine Beauty Salon, KR Builders, and our very own Kaptabo. Are you guys ready for our third bout for tonight?